Over these 60 years of diplomatic relations, Malta and the Holy See have sought, each in its own fashion, to keep this principle alive through dialogue and cooperation. As we commemorate this anniversary, we are not simply recalling a date, we are reaffirming a vocation. It has shown that Church and State, when each respects the other's autonomy, can cooperate fruitfully for the common good. Such cooperation is not automatic. It requires humility, clarity, and perseverance, the very virtues praised in today's readings.